with kick to front from back leg you are dealing with the uncertainty of the impact trajectory. That's why capoeiristas use ESQUIVAs, dodging moves, first. ESQUIVA lateral, like slip in boxing. The main rule is to dodge in the hit's opposite direction, moving with head and torso, additionally covering head and body with deflecting, not blocking, hands moves. For beginning practice capoeira stance is good. In combat situation, attack can be thrown to the thighs base, or even groin, with real speed. Very fast. So the stance must not parallel, not capoeira, but angled, ginga base, for groin defense. Moreover, the backhand, bent near the head, will not withstand with a strong shock circular kick, that's why head must dodging and covered by front shoulder and backhand. Many takedowns uses this ESQUIVA concept. In any game, after successful actions, moves, hits or takedowns, we should immediately figure out taken actions and make a clear conclusion about the cause of success or failure. We should remember and study everything that creates difficulties in the opponent's actions, and should include what we have learned into our practices, constantly enriching and developing our techniques and tactics. That's the way.